was out here picking figs and saw this big grasshopper. So I wanted to get my phone, see if he's still there. Yeah. Kind of hard to tell, but he's about the size of my finger. Maybe a little bit smaller, about the size of my pinky. Yeah, I don't know if I got any of that in frame, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, I picked a whole bowl full of figs, and there's plenty that are close. I mean, they'll be ready tomorrow. If not, I could probably pick that one. Whoa! The stick stuck me in the bottom of the arm. That scared me. But yeah, here's what I got. Yeah, most of the ones I picked the other day came off the dehydrator. There was a couple that were still a little bit soft, so I left them on there. So that worked out. As long as we don't keep getting as many ripe ones every day, you know, they'll be ready to pick by the time they're coming off the dehydrator, so that'll work out. That's about it.